Hi, I'm Candice Bakx-Friesen, and today I'm going to be talking about staging. Staging is such an important thing. We've been doing this for about 10 years, and every house gets, from a very little bit of staging to an empty house that has full stage, because it is just that important. So I want to talk a little bit about that today. So number one, there's odd spaces sometimes in homes. So you might have a dining room that's very small that just kind of flows into the living room. And if a homeowner has a very large table, it just doesn't work, right? So we can bring in furniture that makes sense for the space. The second thing, as I mentioned, empty houses. People have a very hard time visualizing what a room will look like when it's empty. And so bringing in furniture helps people to visualize, and it really feels like home. If you've ever walked through an empty home, it just feels cold, right? And so making that space feel nice and warm is really important when you're selling your home. So for all of those reasons and more, it's really important to look at getting somebody to come in, have a look around the house, do a consultation, to be able to really showcase your home in the best light, to help your home sell for the most amount of money and sell in the least amount of time. So if you'd like a free consultation, just get a hold of me and I'd love to come down and help you out with getting your home ready for sale.